Hey, I'm Alexandra Harbushka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited that you're here. If you're pregnant, congratulations. If you're on your postpartum journey with me, also congratulations on your new little baby. I'm looking at mine over here. He's about to cry. So I'm gonna do this fast. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. You're gonna be following me along this postpartum journey, as well as other things like nutrition, lifestyle, all this is here for you. So go on ahead and subscribe. All right, I wanna talk to you a little bit about the perineal pack. And what I really love about this is when you are pregnant, it's all about you and it's exciting. But once you become a new mom, it's all about the baby, which is also super exciting. But a lot of times we get left out, and we've just gave birth. Like we made a human. It's crazy, right? Like made a human, and your body needs to recover. I know I'm still recovering, and there's still some aches and pains going on with after giving birth. So doesn't matter if you had a vaginal birth, doesn't matter if you have a C-section, you still are swollen, you're in pain, you gotta recover. So what I really like about this is this perineal pack is made by moms for moms. They know what we need. And it's made by Zoo Maple. I have it linked for you. You can get it on Amazon. Go on ahead and get it if you're pregnant. Don't go, oh, well, maybe I'll need it, maybe I won't. No, you need this. I'm telling you right now, you need this. I need this. We need this, because you don't know what you need, and I'm telling you right now, you need this. You're gonna be in pain, it hurts, and you're gonna need this. It's for perineal pain, it's for hemorrhoids, it's for any type of discomfort. My baby's crying, I gotta go fast. Postpartum pains, also breast soreness. Let me just show you what is in here and why I love it. Is you get this nice little mask because we need to take care of ourselves, right? This is great for our naps. Hi, Clinton. I know, now my dog's coming to tell me that my baby's crying. These are the little gel packs that are in there. There's 2 of them. What I like about this is it's black. Scarlet. What I like about this is that they are black, so if you have any accidents, you're not really gonna know there's an accident. And then they come with these sleeves. These are 4 sleeves. So you put the pack in there. You can either put it in the microwave for a couple seconds, or you can put it in the freezer so it gets cool. I like the cool because that just feels best to me, but the heat might feel better, especially if you are breastfeeding. You can, do the compress. I should try that. I haven't tried that. Your breasts are sore, or if it need to help let your milk down, then you can put the warm ones on it. So I really like this. It goes in the wash. You can wipe these down. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else I missed on this, but no. So Zoo Maple, here's the label for you, and going ahead and order it. I said that really fast. I'll have it linked for you. It's super affordable. Again, if you know a mom if you have a friend who's pregnant, just go ahead and order it for them. Send it through Amazon. They will love it. Or if you are a mom, go ahead and order it. It really is a lifesaver. I'm telling you, after I had my baby, I had an episiotomy, which means they cut my perineal. To explain what a perineal is, it's the area between the vaginal opening and the anal opening. That area gets really, really sore even if you don't have a episiotomy. In my case, they cut it, they stitched it, so I had a little, I guess it's surgery. I guess I had surgery down there. And so this has been extremely, extremely helpful for me. So I highly, highly recommend it, and you should get it too. All right, I gotta get to Clinton because he's hungry. And I will see you in the next video. Go ahead and subscribe. Again, alexandraharbushka.com. Can't wait. See you in the next video. Back to mom life. This is totally real. I'm sure you can hear it.